Hello, welcome to the demo of MoSMB cluster solution installation using Ansible. The Ansible scripts for installation are provided as part of the MoSMB package. For the demo purpose, we have four machines with us, all are RHEL 9.4, and we will install MoSMB package and configure it with NTLM local auth using Ansible scripts. The first node that we have here is going to be the Ansible controller. We have the X package available here. We'll extract that. Accept the EULA. Here in this folder, we have the Ansible tar, and inside the MoSMB install, we have the MoSMB package RPM and Zookeeper RPM. Let's extract the Ansible tar. It has created a folder called Ansible. For Ansible, we need to set the passwordless SSH. I am going to use a user called as Sarika1 for this purpose. We'll do the SSH keygen and save the key in this path in the home directory of the user. Let's copy the ID to rest of the nodes. After that, let's do the OpenSSL conf changes. We have to enable the legacy set here. So let's edit it. As you can see, the legacy sect is disabled. We have enabled it. So this editing of OpenSSL CNF is not a part of Ansible, as it could be something that the user already has and we do not want to really touch it. We'll just enable the legacy sec first and then go ahead with the Ansible. For Ansible, we need Python. Let's check the version of Python that is available. We will need Python 3 pip on the first node, and let's see if we have Ansible installed in the pip3. Otherwise, we can install. It's already there. One can install it with this command. So, since we have extracted the Ansible folder, there are three files that we need to edit. One is hosts. We will add the IPs of the nodes. 108 is the current node, which is also an Ansible controller, hence the first line. The next two sections are not required for NTLM local, so we will ignore those. The next file is ansible.cfg. We have set SSH passwordless SSH in this node for user Sarika1. So I'm going to edit this and set the remote user as Sarika1, and we'll get the private key file that we had given in SSH keygen. The third file is the MoSMB install config. The first section is for the user that we will be creating for SMB access. UID and GID for the user. So this is the MoSMB password passwd which the user will use while accessing the share. Since this is NTLM local, I'm going to set this pre-check to true, skipping of the pre-check to true. Share name we will keep as MoSMB share. Share path needs to be the cluster share path. We'll call it MoSMB share, and the pstore path. Auth mode set to NTLM local. We don't need to really go into the details of other configuration as of now because it is NTLM local. Now we will run the playbook for MoSMB install from the controller node. So we will be installing MoSMB on all 4 nodes and Zookeeper on 3 nodes as we have mentioned in the hosts file. The script should take care of installing any predependencies that are needed from the repo. So as we can see, the package called as EPIL release is not available in RHEL9 repo. So we need to make that available in the local repo or whichever repo that we will be using. For now, I'm going to install it from the link on all the nodes. Let's restart the Ansible playbook for MoSMB install. The password it is asking for is the password for the Sarika1 user. So the script has completed. I have Clutch installed. So let's check the RPMs that are available on all the nodes. So as we can see, the MoSMB RPM is installed on all the 4 nodes, and Zookeeper RPM is installed on 3 nodes. Let's check the MoSMB version. On all the nodes, we have this version installed. Zookeeper is running on 3 nodes. Let's check the status of the Zookeeper. So on 1 node, it is running as leader. On 2 nodes, it is running as follower, and it is not present on 1 node. MoSMB service is running on all 4. Let's access the share. This is my client. We will be accessing it with name RHEL9 cluster that I have added to the DNS with which points to all 4 IPs. The user that we are going to use is going to be test user 2 that we had given, and the password that we had provided was passwd. The share is accessible, and we can see that the login has come on the 2nd node. So this was the demo for the MoSMB installation and configuration using NTLM local using the Ansible scripts. Thank you.